I had no intention of doing a sequel. I don't think
Wow. I wish I could soundproof my YouTube studio so that it's like AMC theaters.
It seemed like quite a natural progression to see
Yeah, these speakers, sound panels on the top, professional sound panels.
In case of emergency, watch your step as you walk to the nearest exit and move a safe distance away. Welcome to Dolby Cinema at AMC.
Sounds like a party in there. Let's go check it out. Oh, wow. Welcome back to my YouTube studio. This is where magic is made. Oh, what do we have here from Fstop Labs? They call me an Agent Phenom because I'm the best at what I do, and that is to test new products to see if they are worth your hard-earned money, unless you're rich like Elon Musk. Welcome back to the channel. It's a friendly neighborhood YouTuber with another exciting unboxing. First off, I want to say a huge thanks to Fstop Labs for sending me these acoustic panels to review. Second of all, I want to ask for their forgiveness. I apologize that it took me this long to review it. They actually sent me these like almost a year ago, back in December 2020. But regardless, I'm here to review and test it out. I'm super excited. And I'm going to be updating my YouTube studio too. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I believe they sent me the 48 pack. Okay, so it arrived in this box, which is properly wrapped up. I'm very excited. As you can see in the background, I have a whole bunch of new wall art. All right. Check out all of these cool acoustic panel designs from Fstop Labs, Sonic Acoustics. They are headquartered in California. They were gracious enough to send me a 48 pack of these wedge tile acoustic panels. So you can see you can purchase it for about $100. What's awesome about this design is that it's fire retardant, easy to install, high density, and sound absorbing. Can't wait to update my YouTube studio with these. So here's one of the packs. See, vacuum sealed. Very nice packaging right here. And I believe that's 24. Oh, hold on a second. Hold on. Whatever that equates to 48 right there. All right, so let's go ahead and bust open the packaging right here. It's been sealed for quite a while. And you take a look on the packaging right here. It does tell you how to use the packaging. Basically, we're going to let it expand to 24 to 48 hours. And there are actually two ways of methods of unpackaging and installing these. One of the methods is soaking in water. Second method is to just let it expand for 24 or 48 hours. I'm going to choose the second method. It's a lot easier, simpler. I'm going to bypass these adhesive spray or 3M double-sided tape because I have a new method, which is using the corsage pins. So I actually purchased these Lomi Pearl Black Corsage Boutonniere pins on Amazon back in December 2020 for right under $10. Looks like it's so popular now it's sold out. So let me bust open one of these packaging. Let's see how many is inside each of the bags. All right. Oh, that's plenty. Okay. We're going to let that expand with time. Supposedly that's... So I decided to go with the... This is called the 9-block mushroom wedge tiles. As it expands with time, it's going to grow to that shape that we saw in the website. So the material is made of polyurethane foam, a 3D acoustically designed polyurethane foam, which reduces noise, and reverb, which is basically persistence of sound, otherwise known as echo. So it looks like in that package there are a total of 8. So let's go ahead, separate all these out, lay out on the floor, and let it expand with time. So as you can see, I have all 48 laid out. And make sure when you unload these, unpack these, you're not doing it in a cold room, you want to do it in a warm room so it expands quicker. All right, and it looks like they actually also sent me 12 additional ones of this design. Wow, definitely appreciate that. Now I'm probably gonna put this in my bedroom or in my home theater gym. So at first it looks very thin, like a pancake, but with each passing hour, it's going to start retaining its design shape, and we'll see how it turns out. Now let's take a look at the awesome hologram lenticular 3D wall art. All of these I got from Ross Dress for Less. My favorite being this Carnage Venom Miles Morales one. It's really awesome, and they're like under 10 bucks at your local Ross Dress for Less. Avengers, Flash, Marvel Comics, DC Comics, baby. Check out these 3D art. Avengers one, here's a Flash. You know what? I think I'm gonna buy these for my YouTube studio. What's up, guys? I'm inside St. Louis, Ross Dress for Less. Check out this wall art from Marvel. Carnage, Venom, Spider-Man. Look at this. This is awesome. $8.99 too. It's the following day, almost 24 hours, and it looks like this set of acoustic panels have reverted to its original shape. Wow, those look very good. Okay, now let's check on the mushroom ones. Oh, wow, most of these are still very flat. I think I'm gonna have to try method 1. Soak the panels in water for 3 to 5 minutes. Wring it dry. Put these in the dryer. As you can see, with moisture, they are already starting to retain its original shape. On high for 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes is up, let's check on one of these panels. It's pretty much dry. See that wedge mushroom shape. Now let's check the dimensions. It's supposed to measure 12 inch. Yep, by 12 inch. Yes, sir. By 2 inch thick. And we have those dimensions. Good to go. All right, guys, it's time to bring out the engineering side of me. I want to test out the sound quality, see if we can hear any reverb or echo before and after the acoustic panel installation. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to J. Roo Productions. Alright, so as opposed to using double-sided tape or any spray adhesive, I am going to use these Lomi corsage pins because I tested out in the video and they were able to hold up some pictures that I hang on the wall. So you can see these are 2 inch length. So let's go ahead and assume I stick on the wider side, the thicker side. Look at that. See? That's perfect. Just enough space because some of them need to go into the wall. See, you can press it down. If you need more space, you can press it down on the thinner side. Now I'll just figure out how am I going to stick these because I only have a limited amount. Let's assume I'm ready to stick it to this wall. Now I'll just figure out how I'm going to stick it. If I stick it in the middle, it could work, but notice the end might flap out. Maybe I'll do it corner to corner because I only have a limited amount unless you're gonna do all 4 corners. I'm just testing out, okay? That's one of the corners. Let me try this corner. I think they ran to a stud. You know what? I think I decided to go one in the middle, upper middle. Again, I think I ran to a stud and then one in the lower middle, so 2 per panel. I think that's sufficient. That went all the way through. See? It's not bad. The corners aren't really flapping. I think I'm gonna go with that. That way I have enough pins. 2 per panel. Okay, now let me show you if I remove the pins. I want to show you the hole that it makes. It's not much. See these tiny holes? Barely noticeable, as opposed to a hole that a nail makes. Alright, now that I figured out how to hang the acoustic panels, I marked it with tape, the width that I want to go, and the height is probably from up there all the way to top of the futon. And I'm going to incorporate some of these paintings in there, along with some of this wall. I definitely have to have that Batman. So let's go ahead and remove all these old paintings and see how it turns out. So here's how it's going so far. I got a bottom row all done. So if it starts to droop any, especially if you place ones on top of the other, you just simply place these pins accordingly. So I place one right here so it doesn't droop like this one. You just strategically place these pins to make it work. Alright, let's see how my YouTube studio turned out. Oh wow, I did an awesome job. Look at that. Look at these acoustic panels. They look gorgeous, and I incorporate those 3D hologram art too. Wow, that's tremendous. So I covered up basically almost this whole wall. I think it's over 80 inches in length. There you see it. I used all the push buttons and I ended up only having 2 of these panels left. Some of these push buttons broke because of hitting the wall studs. And I have this much left over after I used the other 12 panels for my home gym too. Let's take a look at these. All right, so remember I used the push pins, didn't have to use any adhesive or 3M tape. I think they are pretty orderly, not the straightest, but not bad, not bad. It's my first time doing it, and you have to make sure you use the pins in orientation or configuration that it will work with you know, wherever the studs are. And I was lucky enough to incorporate these wall art into there. Gotta love that Batman. All right, cover up this wall, and I have cover up on the top, made it even. What do you guys think? I love that wedge mushroom shape. It really makes it stand out as opposed to the more boring shape, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, yeah. There are advantages using adhesive, sure, but when it comes time to removing it, it's gonna be super hard to do. You can use more push pins, but I'm running out of it. Buy more push pins, and you can probably do it in all 4 corners. But like I said, when you hit the studs, it's going to be a pain in the butt. As for the remaining acoustic panels, I'm going to install them in my home entertainment center. I use a projector to watch a movie using that wall. And I think I'm going to put it right there. Let's see how it turns out. Are you guys ready to see how it turned out? I'm excited. Oh, look at all these comic books. Oh my goodness. Look at how much better it looks. And I incorporate that Avengers lenticular wall art too. That looks beautiful. Look at that. Featuring the Avengers. I mean, not only does it look aesthetically pleasing, and it's going to help absorb some of that noise and echo if I play movies loud downstairs. So upstairs in the bedroom, you can hear it less. Wow. And those push pins are doing a great job too. Oh wow, I think I did a tremendous job. This is my first time seeing myself in front of my YouTube studio recording it. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the reverb or the echo. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to J. Roo Productions. Alright, I'm going to attempt to analyze the reverb and look at the audio quality. I'm no expert, but I'm going to try my best. So we're going to start out with before. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to J. Roo Productions. Pay attention to the waves, mic check, peaks. 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Welcome back to J. Roo Productions. Alright, and this is playing a music video. This is before installing the sound panel, and then we're going to change to after. Oh, I think I hear the bass to be strong. What do you guys think? Alright, so let's go ahead and stop that. As you can see, what I heard was that before the sound panel installation, it seems to be more spread out, the sound. But after installation of it, the sound seems to be more compressed and better quality, easier to hear, stronger. And you can see by the peaks of the reduced noise. I think the acoustic panel did make a difference. Not only does my YouTube studio look more professional and aesthetically pleasing, my new YouTube studios will sound better too. If you're looking to soundproof your room, home theater, recording, or YouTube studio, check out the acoustic panels from Fstop Labs.